Hey everyone, if Guidde AI is taking too long to process your recordings, guides, or voiceovers, you're not alone. Slow processing is usually caused by connection issues, large projects, browser problems, or temporary server delays. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Guidde AI slow processing issues in 2026. First, check your internet connection. Since Guidde processes content in the cloud, a slow or unstable connection can significantly delay uploads and AI processing. Switching to a faster network can often improve performance immediately. You should also update your browser to the latest version. Modern AI tools work best on updated browsers, and outdated versions can lead to slower performance and compatibility issues. If none of these solutions work, try using a different browser or device. This can help determine whether the problem is related to your current setup. Finally, contact Guidde support if the issue persists. Include details about your browser, project size, internet connection, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Guidde AI slow processing problems in 2026. Most issues can be resolved by improving your connection, updating your browser, reducing project size, or simply giving the platform a little more time to finish processing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.